Energy vampires are people who use other people's energy to survive. They are also called emotional vampires. Why they do that? They use other people's energy to survive because inside themselves they feel empty. And they actually feel that they do not exist unless they attach themselves to other person and suck them dry. They can be quite dangerous, so it is better not to become friends with them and try to stay away from them because they are draining, especially if you are in close relationship with them. So there are different types of vampires: the narcissist, the controller, a drama queen, the victim. And what is also very interesting to notice, that if you feel, okay, I attract energy vampires. There are some people who attract energy vampires. Empaths in this category. Empaths have tendency to attract energetic vampires. So if you acknowledge that, this truth, that you attract them, you losing your energy to them. But in some situations, to compensate your energetic losses, you will become vampire to other people. For example, if you live with a vampire, like your partner may be a vampire, you keep losing energy to your partner who is a vampire. But to compensate your energetic losses, you can become a vampire to your children, or you can become a vampire to your friends or people at work, to compensate your energy. So this is what you need to realize, that it is not only one-sided. So to stop this contacts with vampires, you need to become aware of it first, in which situations you yourself become a vampire and in which situation you attract vampires. There are signs, very specific signs, that you encounter a vampire. So because it's much better to stop contact before you become friends or before you become partners. So the signs are, so when you talk to a person, you feel tired. So after talking to this person, and after talking to this person, you feel like you're yawning and you're ready for a nap. It means your energy was drained. Or after talking to a person, you feel like you need to binge, maybe on carbs, or you want to open a fridge and empty it, shovel all the food into your stomach. It's your body reactions to compensate for energetic losses. And many people told me that when they are in relationship with certain people, they put weight on, because weight means protection. People grow weight on their body because their body needs protection from the energy of other people. And when they become separated or divorce a person, they lose weight after divorce or after separation, because their body don't need protection anymore. So the weight is gone. Go back to the signs. So yes, if you feel like you need to binge after talking to a person, it's your body sign that this person is a vampire. You feel stressed after talking to a person. You feel demeaned. You feel humiliated, or you feel controlled. You feel it, your body feel it. The other sign, when somebody touches you, for example, like a friend maybe, or just a person touch you during the interaction, and you automatically feel that you want to withdraw. It's like your body reaction that maybe the energy of this person is not really compatible with your energy. If you feel like your body moving away from this person. So human touch, the energy of the touch can tell you a lot about the energy of the other person. So if you become aware of these signs, you just you don't need to go into relationship with vampires. And it is the best practice not to go into relationship, because it's very difficult later on to manage all these energetic losses. And people even become sick because of these energetic losses. But this is basically what I wanted to say about vampires. They do exist, and you need to just watch for what your body is saying, and your body energy telling you everything about your environment and about the people you meet. You just need to watch the body signs.